Okay, hello dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So I want to prepare some miso soup base. Give me 1 minute. So I turn on the fire. Then I am cutting some ginger. Oh, it's so easy to peel off the skin this way. My family told me this method. Oh, where is my glasses? Yes, I have my glasses. So I turn the fire a little bit slower so that I can that is good enough. Some ginger. Some julienne ginger. You can see how thin it is. Let's get a straight one. Very, very, very thin. Put in the pot. I have not yet put any cooking oil, so this way it will not splash. Some little onion, the good part, and the not so good part, we will take it off. This is good. Here we have something not so good. Peel it off. This is not so good. These are the good parts. Okay, these are the good parts. We put it in. And now it's time to put some cooking oil. I like miso soup from time to time. And today we are going to get a lot of oil. We want to make a miso soup base. Next time when we do the cooking, we do not need to put a lot of oil. And shiitake mushroom from Berkeley Bowl. Okay, I turn the fire slower because I need to cut the mushroom. All these we will take care of a bit later. I think I will use them all because this is for the whole week. So on this one we need to wash it a little bit, clean kitchen, but still it's better to clean up a little bit. Okay, all good. Can I cut these 5 all at the same time? Let's see, a little bit too much. This way. Okay, all good. Put it in. Now we turn on the fire much stronger. To make it more fun, I put some wood ear mushroom. So this is wood ear mushroom. I cut it into julienne already. Time to say hello. Hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Just a little bit to say hello. Hello. Bye-bye. And that is it. Not too much spice, and I will use low salt miso paste. A little bit more. How about I get the whole bottle, whole jar in, so that I do not need to work on it. Every time when I make soup, when I make anything, it will be good. Now we need to put in liquid. So I will put in sweet cooking mirin. Mirin. One or two big heap of spoon. 2 spoons of it. Then we will put in water. And then some water. Then we can clean up the spoon completely, the container also. Right. It's fun to do it. A lot of fun to do it. Okay. So this is the umami at its very best. That is so we cook it for a couple of extra minutes, and then we put into this bottle, right? Next time when we want to make some vegetable, meat, soup, if you want to make miso soup, put this one in. It has much more flavor than the pure miso soup. And sometimes, to make it a little bit more interesting, I put some of this rice seasoning. It just brings a lot of interest in it, right? So we will cook it because there's no right or wrong in doing things. It's for 1 week worth, or even much longer time worth of flavor starter, right? So that is my flavor starter. Keep stirring because the paste, the bean paste, the miso will get sticky to the bottom. So keep stirring. This is good enough because time will do the job. Because you put into a container that is that is sealed, then it will be sealed and stay for a long time. Now we'll take it out. Make a final stir. And I do not need to wash this pot, just add in water. That will be good. To safeguard the cleanness of the bottle, I will do it this way. Look at it. Okay. Turn off the fire. And are you seeing it? Yes. So this is homemade umami starter. This is a miso paste. If you make it, I like to use this low salt so that I can use a lot of miso paste. It has more texture. You can use a salty one, then you will use less. The soup becomes thinner. And to do meat, chicken, beef, pork, to do vegetable, eggplant, green bean, anything, put in vegetable, put 1 spoon of it, cover up, you are done. 10 minutes later, the vegetable is done, you are done. Meat maybe takes a longer time, but that's my way of preparing for my week. Yeah, get something fun and interesting. You can always find something that you particularly like, such as this rice, seaweed, sesame, some beans, some nuts, something you find it more interesting and still have integrity, has its own texture. If you put what else can I say? Carrot is sweet, kind of against it. Maybe celery seems okay because celery has a good texture of it. And courgette maybe will become too, why not give it a try. Minestrone, different kind of vegetable, small pieces of vegetable. Bye friends, I love you. This one I will put some water and it is a soup. If you put tofu, then become a miso tofu soup, and put some seaweed and things. Bye friends, that is it.